Hey, my name is Shu. In this video, I want to show you how to make a master task list of Roam. In previous video, I showed you how to use Roam as your daily journal. If you haven't watched it, you should check it out. And also, if you want to know more about the basic of Roam, you should check out the YouTube channel by the founder, white-sullivan. I'll put the link to his channel in the description. Anyways, to make a master task list, you want to click this button first, and then name it as whatever you want to call it. So I will call it tasks. And the first thing you want to do is create categories inside this task list. So for example, inbox, and today, tomorrow, and next week, someday, and someday. And let's make these headlines. There you go. The next step is to write down every single task you have in your mind in the inbox. So task 1 and task 2. Like this. And then you can make these to-do list by highlighting and right click and click make to-dos. And you can assign these tasks to right category. So if you want to do task 1, just drag and drop to today, and task 2 to tomorrow, and task 3 to next week. And what I usually do is assign a tag to each task. So if task 4 is super important, I can assign like P1. This means it's the most important task. And in P2, this is the second important task, and P3. And additionally, I assign a tag according to a category of the task. So for example, if task 4 is related to your work, assign tag work, then maybe like house, or your YouTube. And what's amazing about this is you can filter the tasks by clicking this little button, and YouTube, this lets you see only tasks that are related to YouTube. And if you click like P1, you can see only tasks that are super important, and other tasks as well. So that's how you make a master task list. And let's go back to daily notes. And when you plan your day in each morning or evening, what you can do is find a page, tasks, and then shift click. This will bring up the master task list in your sidebar. And what you can do is to create this, and you can simply drag and drop under this list. Or alternatively, you can simply highlight it and copy and paste like that. It's very easy. So this is what I usually do every day. I always keep my task list open in the sidebar, and then I can just copy and paste these tasks to my daily notes, and check every task I completed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. That's how I make a master task list on Roam. Let me know what you think about this method in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.